Guys, it's time to download some power. Really excited for this. This is probably my first car that I can just download some easy power. I'm only gonna do 034's stage 1 ECU and TCU Tune for the RS3. I have a little bit of 91 left, so about 65 miles. I'm just gonna enjoy that, and then I'm literally gonna go straight to E85 after I'm done with this tank. But I'm just gonna enjoy the 91 just to see it, because I know there isn't that gonna be like a night and day difference, but I think the driving experience is gonna be much better. Hopefully everything goes good. They use their mobile app. I'm gonna be using my iPad because I'm recording from my phone. But let me plug this in and then we'll get through the process. So since I'm using a Bluetooth device, I don't need the cable. The cable is only for the computer. So I'm just gonna plug it in down there and let's get started. Let's see again. Oh, there you go. Now it's just doing a little update. All right, so now the system has recognized the dongle. It says 0 files have been flashed to this vehicle. Click the flashing icon for more power. All right, I guess it's down there flashing. Wow, this is so sick. All right, I'm gonna go to the engine first. Let's see. Please respond to connection test. What is this? Oh, I gotta turn on my ignition. There we go. So done. All right, this is sick. Okay, so stage 1, stage 2. I purchased stage 2 because I know I'm already gonna do stage 2 in the future, so might as well just buy it. Go back. So let me do stage 1. Oh, this is so sick. Stock 91, E85, reduce gear 91, no crackles. I'm just gonna do this one, 91. All right, let me fill this out first. All right, so I just clicked flash. Now is the scary part, just waiting. I won't bore you guys with it. I'm just gonna, hopefully it gets to 100 pretty quick. This is my first time tuning it, so the process might take a bit longer, so we'll see. All right, now it says turn ignition off. Press OK. Continue in 10 seconds, 6 seconds. Oh, this is scary. My hands are shaking. I know this is gonna be okay, but clearing faults, 100%. Everything should be good. Let me try to turn on the car. Let's see. Okay. Everything's good. So let's try to download the TCU now. All right, turn off the car. Quick flash. TCU. And I believe they only have one TCU for both stage 1 and stage 2. So once I download this one, I should be good to go for it if I go stage 2. So I don't need the higher launch control, so let's just go to this one. All right, same thing, just wait until it's done. All right, so TCU was definitely much quicker. Turn off the ignition. All right, so I flashed both the stage 1 for the engine and the transmission, so this is sick. See, take me home. Sick. All right, so I just flashed the engine again just to make sure, so I have both of these right here. Now I can just turn on the car. No lights. Sick. All right, let me drive around and see if everything's good. All right, so driving to stage 1. It's pretty good. It's not a night and day difference, but it's a big difference. Not a big difference, but an improvement from the stock tune, which is what I wanted. It has a little bit of crackles at the downshifts, which I'm okay with. I'm not like really excessive with it, but it's cool. I'm just gonna drive it for the remaining 50 miles, and then I'm gonna switch to E85 one. But I think everything's good right now. Car runs perfect, smooth. It's a little bit more torque than before, which is good. But the horsepower, you can't really feel that much big of a difference. But yeah, so far I like it. All right, guys. So I just got done with driving the car on 91. It's good. It's nothing like night and day, but it's good. Now I am at 0 fuel. My range is at 0. The light keeps on flashing to fill up. So I think I'm gonna go E85 right now. So I'm gonna do the same process as the 91 tune, just flash the E85 and make sure I have the stage 1 TCU tune. And I'm gonna fill up some E85 and just let the car sit, because I don't have an ethanol sensor right now, which is not a good thing. But I'm just gonna let the car sit for a while to get all the fuel lines of the 91 out, and hopefully the mix is around where 034 wants, which is E60 to E85. So let me retune this and let me fill up with some E85. All right, guys, finally filling up the E85. You can see it's only $3, which is not that bad, but yeah, let's wait. All right, just got done with filling up with E85. It's about 13.4 gallons. So first startup. All right, the car died. All right, the car keeps dying. Let me see if all right, so don't be like me. I did the process wrong. Make sure you watch the 034's video on how to switch to E85. So first of all, my tank is really full. I'm empty, so now I go fill up with E85. I'm still on the 91 tune. Now I'm just turning on the car and letting it idle for like say 20 or 30 minutes until the ethanol comes up to at least E60. I don't have the ethanol sensor, so I just have to wait and see. But on their video, they did around 30-minute wait to get all the fuel out of the fuel lines and to get some E85 inside the system. So once I get up to E60, if you have a sensor, make sure you watch it. If you don't, just wait like 20-30 minutes like I am gonna be. And once that is done, I'm gonna flash the E85 tune, and then I can start using the car. So right now I'm just gonna sit and wait. It's 9:34 right now, so I'll wait about till 10 o'clock to see. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here at the gas station and just wait for hopefully the E85 to get into the system. So make sure you watch their video, because I started the car multiple times and it didn't work, because injected duty cycle is way different from these to run E85, because there's like 30% more fuel. So it's just waiting time right now. All right, guys, I just waited a little over 20 minutes on the 91 tune, and I just flashed the E85 tune. So hopefully the car starts now. All right, let's see. Still dead. Oh my god. All right, guess I do not know what to do. I guess there's still 91 in the tank, so I'm not sure. Let me try to figure this out. All right, so it still didn't work, so I'm just gonna let the car idle again for another like 10 minutes, I guess, just to get all the 91 out. So, oh my god, I thought this was gonna be so much easier. I should have bought the ethanol analyzer. Oh well. All right, waited for another 10 minutes, and I put the battery charger on it, so hopefully this works. Oh, it's there. It's alive! Let's go! Okay, I guess there's E85 in the fuel tank now. Let's go! I'm gonna let the little idle a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna start driving the car a little bit to get even more E85 in it. And later, when I get a little bit more fuel, like cut a little bit down, I'm gonna fill up even more E85 just to get Straight 85. Oh my god, it works. Okay, so I think I waited like almost, goddamn, over 30 minutes. So if you don't have an ethanol content analyzer, just wait like 30 minutes like me. I had 0 range in the tank and it was flashing red. So yeah, I'm gonna let the car idle a bit more before I start driving it.